You are now ready to start your online dropshipping store, but you feel a bit overwhelmed with all the information, strategies, and options out there. So let's clear the fog and focus on what truly matters. Should you start with dropshipping in 2024? Absolutely. And let me tell you more, this is a great moment to start. But of course, you need the right guide to avoid crucial and expensive mistakes. And so if you don't know anything about dropshipping and would like to start in the best way possible, this is the right video for you. Because guys, time, money, and energy are precious. And I want to ensure you invest them in systems and strategies that are proven to work. And by the end of the video, you will not only understand the full process of dropshipping, but also know how to take those crucial first steps and most importantly, begin your journey towards making life-changing money online in 2024. So the first thing you need to do to create your first dropshipping business is to set up your store. Now, I understand that as a beginner, the idea of creating an online store might seem a bit scary, but let me reassure you, this step is way easier than you might think. If you follow the link I provided in the description down below, it will lead you directly to this page where you can start with a free trial on Shopify and with no credit card requirement upfront. Now here you just write your email to start the free trial, and right after you see some startup questions. But don't worry too much about them since the answers you'll give won't affect in any way your store. Once you're done with these questions, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. This is where the interesting part begins. We'll jump into the store design soon, but before that, it's really important to have a winning product to feature in your store. And this involves connecting a fulfillment app to your Shopify store. This is a crucial part of the dropshipping model. Also, try to avoid skipping through the video too much since you could miss very important parts. Now, the reason why we are about to add a fulfillment app to our store is because dropshipping essentially begins with you advertising a product. And when customers see your ads, they are invited to visit your website and place an order in your store. This is where the magic of a fulfillment app comes into play. The app is basically a bridge between your store and the supplier. Once an order is placed, you as the store owner will use the fulfillment app to pass this order to your supplier that then ships the products directly to the customer. The beauty of this process is that you don't need to buy or store any inventory up front. And that's why this system allows you to scale your business without any limits, offering you the flexibility to grow as much as you want. It is of course crucial to choose the right fulfillment app, and I personally recommend AutoDS since it has a product research app integrated with it, which is great to find winning products. This means you get a tool that satisfies multiple needs of your dropshipping business, all in one place. Now, let's set up AutoDS on our store. I've provided a link in the description that brings you directly to AutoDS, which offers a 30-day free trial, and once you click the link, you'll be directed to their sign-up page, where after you click on Get Started, you need to enter your email, your full name, and create a password. After you signed up, you land on this page where you just click on Add Store, and you'll be asked what type of store you want to add. In our case, we're going to choose Shopify. This will take you directly to the Shopify App Store where you just click on Install. Then you will be asked to log into your Shopify account, and this is an important step to ensure that the app integrates with the correct store, if you have multiple ones of course. And as you can see, with just a few clicks, AutoDS and Shopify are now linked. To verify the installation, you should see the store's name in the top left corner of the AutoDS dashboard. Now, with your store successfully connected, the only thing left to do is to find a product. As I mentioned earlier, AutoDS isn't just a fulfillment platform, it's also a product research tool, and this dual functionality is literally a game changer. AutoDS provides three main product research sections: the marketplace, winning products, and TikTok Spy. Each of those sections offers unique advantages. The marketplace is where you can browse through every product available on AutoDS, and you can even filter by categories, shipping countries, and price ranges. This vast section allows you to explore various niches and products to find what best suits your store. My personal favorite is the fast shipping option that shows product that can be fulfilled very quickly, often within 2 business days or less, since most of them are usually fulfilled from the United States. And this is a significant selling point for your customers. Now, the winning product section is a goldmine for product research, since it offers fresh, trending, and rising products, and it's updated hourly. Every time you visit this section, you'll see new potential products, ensuring that your store can stay ahead of trends and market demands. Here as well, you have the flexibility to filter down the most relevant products based on price, shipping times, and more. But what truly sets this section apart is the amazing product analysis provided for each item. Let's say, for example, I'm considering to sell this product and click on it. As I scroll down, I'm presented with a detailed description of the product, including potential profit margins, the target audience demographics, occupations, interests, and much more. Back when I started dropshipping, it was way harder to have access to this information and way more time consuming. You even get insights into your competitors, like their Facebook ad campaigns and website links. This gives you an incredible strategic advantage. The TikTok Spy feature focuses on products that are performing well specifically on TikTok. Whether you're browsing through the marketplace, the winning products section, or using the TikTok Spy, the goal remains the same: to find problem-solving products that have a proven track record or potential for success. You have to keep in mind that problem-solving products are the best sellers, because consumers are always trying to make their lives more efficient. Once you've identified the right product, the next step is adding it to your Shopify store. And with AutoDS already connected, this process is really fast. Let's say we really like this product right here and we want to add it to our store. Well, just scroll down a bit and click on Import Draft. And on the bottom right corner, you will see a notification indicating that the item is being added to drafts. And the reason why it adds it to drafts first is so that you can make edits and refine the product details before they are added into your store. And so by clicking on Click to Edit, we can start to make some changes. Here you can rename the product, set the selling price, select which variants to offer, and choose the image for this product that will appear on your store. You can also select different shipping methods and edit the product description. And I highly recommend editing every single product before adding it to your store, since the way they are initially presented is very chaotic, and to increase sales, you should go for a cleaner and more professional look in general. Once you've fine-tuned the specifics of your product on AutoDS, you click on Save and Import, and just like that, you added your first product to your store. Now, if you navigate back to your Shopify store and head over to the product section, you'll see your new product listed there. With the product in place, we can move to the next phase, and this one is exciting because the store we are going to build is a general store, which is perfect if you're starting out, but even later on, because it allows you to test and sell various products across different niches. It's also very organized, so customers can easily navigate and find what they're looking for. However, you don't really need to overwhelm yourself by adding hundreds of products right off the bat. Start simple. Begin with your main product and add 2 complementary products. These additional items serve as upsells, enhancing the customer's shopping experience and increasing your average order value. The beauty of a general store lies in the versatility. In fact, you don't need to create a new store for each product category, and that's why I'm recommending it. With this approach, you save time and you can experiment with different products. And this is crucial when you're starting out in the world of e-commerce. Now, a general store requires a domain name that's just as versatile. And the domain is your digital address. But try not to overcomplicate it. Simplicity here is key. You could even use tools like ChatGPT to generate a list of 20 potential domain names if you want to speed things up. Once you have the right name, head back to Shopify, click on Settings, then scroll down to Domains, where you can check if the name is available. And usually the cost of a domain stays between $10 to $15 per year. That is a very small investment, but for a great reason. Now, the next step is to choose a theme for your store that gives it a specific layout and aesthetic, both on desktop and mobile devices. And Shopify offers a good range of themes, both paid and free. The great thing is that the free themes are just as functional and appealing as the paid ones. So take some time to explore the options and look for a theme that aligns with your vision and makes navigation easy and intuitive for your customers. When you find the right one, you just click on Publish and then Publish again. Keep in mind that the goal for your homepage is to create a space space that is professional, clean, and welcoming. But please don't spend too much time designing the homepage, since it is not the primary landing page for customers coming from ads. With this in mind, I recommend using a maximum of 3 main colors in the theme settings under colors. And I like to highlight any ongoing sales or special offers in the announcement bar, since they are eye-catching and can be very effective in driving sales. Moreover, for the navigation bar, adding essential pages like the shipping policy is a very crucial step. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and providing your customers with necessary information. And so on your Shopify dashboard, click on Pages, then click on Add Page. In this case, we'll name it Shipping Policy. And for the content, you can create an effective shipping policy using a tool like ChatGPT, for example. You just copy and paste it into your new page and then save your changes. Next, you want to come down to Navigation, then Main Menu, click on Add Menu Item, rename it as Shipping Policy. Then here where it says search or paste a link, type Shipping Policy and then click on Add. Once you've done this, you can click on Save, and if you refresh your screen, you're going to see that the shipping policy page is right at the top. This same process can be used for adding other important pages to both your store's header and footer. The next step is to create a welcoming statement for your homepage and to add an image. And again, you can write this yourself or use tools like ChatGPT for assistance. Now, adding an image with text is important because this can align your store with the current season or trend, and you can find high quality, no copyright images on sites like Pexels, for example. Simply upload the image to your Shopify store by clicking on Select Image and then on Add Image. Now, the next thing on this list is to add a vision statement that is a reflection of your brand's identity, values, and purpose. For this, you can also use ChatGPT to save some time, and once you have it, click on Add Section and then on Rich Text. Now it's finally time to feature your main product. And this is very important because this product will now become a focal point on your homepage, capturing the attention of visitors. And so to do this, you just go to your Shopify homepage editor and click on Add Section. Select Feature Product, select Product, then choose the main product, in this case the product we added earlier, and click on Select. Now, to add other future products, you first need to create a collection. And you can have different collections to organize different products from different niches. And so to add a collection, you want to head over to Products, Collections, then create Collection, give it a name, then choose Manual under Collection Type and save it. After saving, you'll add the complementary products by clicking on Browse and selecting them to be part of this collection. Once your collection is ready, return to the homepage editor and click on Featured Collection. Choose Select Collection and choose the one that you just created. Now, lastly, we need a logo. And if you don't have any experience with this, don't worry. It's an extremely easy and fast process. To create your logo, I recommend using Canva that offers a ton of logo templates to get you started. Once you're on the site, just type logo in the search bar and you'll find hundreds of different logo templates that you can edit as you want and save. Once you have your logo, go back to your Shopify store's dashboard, click on Theme Settings, then Logo, select Image and upload the logo you just created in Canva. Finally, to start selling your products and making potentially life-changing money this year, we need to start advertising. And especially on platforms like Facebook, it's important to be aware that nowadays the advertising policies are more strict. A crucial initial step is to have a Facebook profile that has been active for at least 6 months, because this is a key indicator that you are a genuine, trustworthy user. I would not even attempt to launch advertising campaigns from a brand new Facebook profile, as it could lead to Facebook restricting or banning your account. But of course, there are multiple other ways to advertise your products, such as Instagram, TikTok, or Google Ads, just to mention a few. Now you officially have all the right information to start your online dropshipping store in 2024 as a beginner. This is the right time to start. Not tomorrow, not the next month, today. And the earlier you start, the earlier you learn how to dropship correctly, which products to choose, and the correct strategies to advertise them. Remember that one single product has the potential to change your life. Use this video to your advantage and don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about this. I'm David Bombardo. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching and take care.